In today's video, I'm going to teach you #short video, how to run Python in Android Hammer coding, #code, #programming, #replit, #android. We'll do this entirely on an Android device using Replit, so you don't need a laptop. Start by opening your mobile browser and going to replit.com. The site works well on Android, and if you prefer the app, the flow is very similar. On the Replit homepage, look for the main Create button. This is the highlighted action that starts a new project. Give it a tap to open the project templates. You'll first see options like Web App. That's okay. We're switching to the mobile-focused setup, so tap Web App to enter the template chooser, then select Mobile App. On some devices, the category may take a moment to load. If it doesn't switch right away, tap Mobile App again until it's active. Once you're in the Mobile App view, tap the highlighted Mobile option to proceed. Next, you'll see a field where you can name your project. Tap into the highlighted text box and type a short, clear name you'll recognize later. After naming it, tap the highlighted Create button to spin up your workspace. If the project doesn't open automatically, tap the New Project tile to enter the editor. Inside the editor, look for the Build button and tap it. This triggers Replit to set up dependencies and prepare the environment so Python can run on your Android device. Be patient here. On mobile, a stable internet connection helps a lot. While it's building, you may see onboarding cards like Make, Test, Iterate, and Ask Questions. Plan your work. Tap through those to continue. They're just quick tips from Replit. When the build is done, you'll be ready to work in the editor and console on your phone. If you plan to share your work or access it from another device, tap Publish. You may be prompted to confirm details such as the project name or visibility. Tap the highlighted areas to review, then tap Publish again to confirm. Publishing is optional for running code locally, but it's great if you want to share a link with classmates or teammates. A couple of quick tips for a smoother mobile experience. Rotate your phone to landscape to see more of the editor and console. Zoom in if UI elements feel small, and give the build a moment to finish before interacting with the console. If anything